In this video, we will show you how to electrically connect your machine to the tractor and how to connect the control terminals. Start by preparing the control terminals. For the CCI terminal, securely connect the interface cable to slot A located on the rear panel. ICO. For the IBX box, connect the 8-pin cable to the back and carefully tighten the circular union nut by hand only. Finally, for the Smart View monitor, plug in the dedicated power supply cable to complete the setup. Now securely mount all control devices in the tractor cab, making sure they are easily accessible. It is important that the ignition is off before connecting and attaching the cables. If there are multiple control devices, splitter cables are required. These splitter cables feature two different output connections, one labeled UT and the other labeled AUX. If terminals are present, ensure you always connect them to the UT side. Control devices can be connected to either output. In the event that a second IBX box is being utilized, proceed to connect the second splitter cable to the UT side of the first splitter cable. Finally, you can connect the Smart View monitor. The monitor receives its power directly from the in-cap socket and is securely positioned in between one of these specific connections. Important, no in-cap cable connector may be left open. All connectors must be occupied. Next, connect the green video cable from the machine to the Smart View monitor, making sure it is not bent. It should be laid in a curve. After the operator terminals and control boxes are correctly connected, connect the 12-pin black cable from the machine to the BOS, the operating mode selector switch. This box serves as a safety device. The 12-pin connector of the BOS box is sensitive. To ensure its protection, a 1-meter-long cable can be connected to the box. And the screw connection can be secured with heat shrink tubing. If any damage occurs, only the cable needs to be replaced. Once all control devices are properly connected, start the ignition and let the CCI terminal fully boot up. When commissioning, make sure that no UT number is assigned more than once. To change the UT number, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the CCI terminal. Navigate to the App section and then open App Management to verify if CCI UT point A and CCI UT point B are activated, and also check CCI config. If not, please activate them. Simply return to the previous page by using the back button. To modify the UT number, click on either UTA or UTB. And carefully check the assigned UT numbers listed there. The tractor should always have the number 1. Return to the previous page. Click on UT number and adjust the CCI UT number accordingly. Confirm by pressing back and acknowledge the message. First, navigate back to the main page and turn the tractor's ignition switch completely off and then back on again so that the entire system restarts. If all UT numbers are set correctly and the main page is displayed exactly as shown here, the machine can then be released via the BOS box. Firmly press and hold the green button on the BOS until it begins to flash rapidly. After a short time, it will flash slowly. Press the button again so that the machine is loaded onto the control terminal. If the machine has already been loaded onto the tractor before, it will start up and be ready for use. However, if this is the first commissioning, follow the next steps. After about 2 minutes, all UT control devices that are connected will appear. Use the Setup Assistant by pressing the gear icon on the right side. The machine loads itself onto all connected control terminals, which takes about 3 minutes. In the Setup Assistant, select whether you want to work with one control interface or with 2. Confirm with the green check mark. Afterwards, you can assign the terminals as you wish. Confirm this again with the green check mark. The machine will now reload on the terminals. Make sure that the power supply is not interrupted during this process. The loading process takes about 15 minutes. After the setup is complete, the machine is ready for use. Wishing you much success in your season.